All right, guys. So it's CPI Friday. Yes, I said it. CPI Friday. And I already had intentions set for this particular day because it's a Friday. Um, I was looking for the move to probably take place or set up between 8:50 and 9:10, which it did from the highs. However, during the New York Open, we did get this nice manipulation inside for a C wave inversion failure model and confirming a TS3 after we swept out London highs with CPI news. So I'm going short here, two minis on NQ, and I waited for the market to do its final manipulation before actually entering my trade. So I wasn't really focused on trying to catch the high, but what I wanted to do is time the trade and still catch it at a great price where it had manipulated the highest level that it possibly could. Whereas you can see, we have that 1 minute fair value gap there in the top, but it's well above the 15-minute opening price, and I'm entering right at the opening price where we have the 382. So this is like the confirmed trade idea, as opposed to prioritizing the highest, because I didn't want to get swept out. I wanted to just trade with the market. Now I'm aiming just below the low. As you can see, you have those, the red and blue tint on the higher time frame. We're in like a daily order block, and this area can be very sensitive. And this is kind of like a final leg continuation play that they're doing, where we've basically accumulated, and they're not ready to reverse because they've left relative even lows. So um, this trade is pretty short, but obviously the video can be kind of long. But we'll go ahead and speed it up for you guys and get back to the next part. Okay, so right here, I'll be taking partials, as it's just very, appropriate that when you're about 5 points from, relative even lows, it's okay to go ahead and take some profits. The trade has delivered more than 1 to 3 risk to reward on this trade at this point. You want to go ahead and book a profit, as the market could pull all the way back near entry and then deliver. So I went ahead and took profit, but when I usually take partials, I move stops to break even or up, and then I extend TPs as we try to trail. However, just in case, we once we get past the low, we're going to trail the stop loss and profit even further and even further. And if the market continues to respect, then we'll also continue to move the TP. And one of them will get hit. And you have to be unemotional. You can't be greedy about every single dollar. You have to allow the market to show you what it's going to do, as opposed to trying to wish and want. Um, so here, we're shortly about to move stop deep into profit, as if the market doesn't just run aggressively from here, that is a problem. And I would rather go ahead and let it hit me, stop loss and profit, than try to, believe that it's going to absolutely hit my take profit, because they can come 1 point from your take profit and absolutely go the other way for 200 points. And if I'm not mistaken, that's what happened today. My exit was the best exit you could get, unless you caught that bottom wick that they just gave just there, as that is or was at the time the low before they came and swept back out the highs. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you want more like this, man, like, subscribe, leave some comments. And I appreciate you guys. And like always, don't forget to trade smart, family. Peace.